What's up, guys? What am I doing here at Panera Bread? Well, I just finished my big leg workout. I wanted to get my protein fix on, and I wanted to see what was popular here at Panera Bread. The toasted Frontega chicken sandwich. This is one of the most popular things on the menu. How bad could it be? It's like chicken, bread, some cheese, not so bad. It's incredibly bad, actually. The reason it's so bad, forget about refined seed oils. They had a no antibiotics chicken policy, which is no longer anywhere to be found. The macros on this thing, this is half a sandwich, is 800 calories. 800 calories, guys. You're looking at 36 grams of fat. This is a half, 10 of which is saturated fat, and it has 2,300 grams of sodium, guys. 2,300. That, if you don't have hypertension already, it's probably gonna give it to you. As far as the fat goes, guys, Chipotle mayo, whatever the hell they're using, it's got too much fat in it. It's too much, it's not good for you. We can make this thing a lot better. Come on, guys, let's make it better. Do we know why this thing is not good? Way too many calories, the oils are refined, the chicken has antibiotics in it, it's not good stuff, and frankly, this is a sodium bomb too, so we can do a lot better. As far as I'm concerned, this thing belongs in the garbage, all right? Let's make it better. Now, what are we gonna need to do this? We're gonna use a couple of key ingredients here. I'm gonna use organic free-range chicken. Our bun, you guys can use whatever you like. Almost anything you use is going to be better than what they use. I'm using a Dave's Killer Bread whole grain and seed bun. Only 150 calories in this. The ingredients are a lot better. The macros are a lot better. Our cheese is gonna be a low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese. This is just cheese, there's nothing fancy here. We're gonna top it with some arugula, pop on some fresh onion, some fresh tomato from my garden, grew this myself. And lastly, we're gonna make our chipotle with Greek yogurt, ranch, and chipotle. We use that ranch in our McDonald's wrap video too. You might want to check that out. And it just calorically, organically, it's all better. Greek yogurt is always a great way to go as well. This ranch also, guys, is so good. My wife's not really into any of this stuff. She loved this so much. She was like, why would anyone eat regular ranch? So organic ranch seasoning, really good. And we're gonna make it a chipotle version because it goes nice together. Our chicken here, the Panera Bread version is smoked, pulled. It's not a good quality meat. Who knows what the hell they're doing with the seed oil and whatnot, and the refinement process and all that. We're gonna do something a little different here. We're gonna do a dry rub. We're gonna get a nice smoky flavor there. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my chicken strips real thin, and this will go in the air fryer. I'm using 5 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast. And now I'm gonna basically build my rub out, guys. I'm gonna take some garlic powder, gonna take some paprika, take some salt, gonna take some pepper. And depending on how much heat you guys like, we're gonna add chipotle. I like heat, I'm gonna add a good amount of chipotle. And I'm just gonna rub this in, guys. So air fryer is preheated. Get your chicken nice and covered in this stuff. Get the chicken nice and covered in the rub there. Now, I encourage you guys, like with all the videos we do, you don't just have to make 5 ounces of chicken. Make a friggin' pound of chicken, have this for the week. Buy a whole lot of buns, have it for the week. Make it so you do this once and you can have this a handful of times a week. You're saving money by not going to Panera, no doubt. This thing was like 10 bucks. I'm gonna give you a breakdown on what this cost with organic ingredients versus what Panera cost at the end. You're gonna save money, but save time too. Make a whole bunch of these, eat them during the course of the week. So this is good to go. Obviously, internal temperature of chicken, 165. It's gonna say 15 minutes here. This is gonna go a lot quicker because it's very thin sliced, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it regardless. Okay guys, our chicken is in the air fryer. That's gonna take probably about 10, 12 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna take our low-fat Chobani, Greek yogurt, and we're gonna make our chipotle dressing. It's like a chipotle ranch, but it's really, really delicious. That's about 100 grams of yogurt, and we're gonna add some ranch seasoning to that. Just get that ranch mixed in. Right. That ranch is looking good, and now, same deal as before, you can add the chipotle flavor in there. I used about 20 and 25% of the packet there. I'm also gonna add a little bit of the smoked paprika in here, guys. Get a little more smoky, spicy goodness. Taste test, let's check it out. It's absolutely fantastic. It is so much better, ingredient-wise. Health-wise, macro-wise, tastes delicious. I will eat this and put this on everything. You can dip stuff in this. It's really, really good. About midway through, guys, I like to toss the chicken around. Looks really good. It smells really good. Throw it back in the fryer. We're gonna slice up some stuff from the garden, guys. Some tomato and red onion here. Organic and fresh. Look at that. Our chicken is already here. It looks absolutely fantastic. It smells fantastic. Get this guy out. Now there's different options here. The way that they make this Frontega sandwich, they're gonna pull it. I'm not gonna pull it. I like the way it looks. It's crispy, it's delicious. I'm gonna top it with some chipotle in a moment. What I am gonna do, however, though, is this awesome Dave's Killer bun. I'm gonna throw this in a minute just to toast it a little bit, get it a little nice and crispy on there. Chicken is cooked, toasted my bun, melted the cheese. We're gonna assemble this thing. This thing took like 10 minutes to make. Here's your chipotle mayo. The amazing bit is, because it's Greek yogurt, you can use a lot of it. Tomato on top. Some onion on top, some arugula on top of that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Guys, 800 calories, 40 some odd grams of protein, 420 calories, 55 grams of protein. This is macro friendly. This is delicious. This is really, really good. You guys can make the choice. I know what I'm eating. Now for the taste test. Guys, look at this. For 420 calories, opposed to that other crap we almost ate. Well, we didn't almost eat it.
I want a bite.
I don't know if I'm gonna give you a bite. It's really good. Give me a bite. How freaking delicious is that?
Oh, so good.
And you can feel good about eating this. This isn't like, oh my God, I ate this, I gotta go on a diet. This is your diet. This is the diet, guys. Here's the side-by-side, guys. Better ingredients, better macros, more protein, better for you. You can feel better about eating this. If you guys like this, please, we got more to come. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, become a member of the Caffeinated Iron Club, become a super. I would appreciate it. Until next time, I will see you next time. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. This is good. It's really good.